I have 3 eggplants here, as you can see. I'm going to cut the stems off and I'm going to peel them. Then I'm going to slice them into slices about that thick. And I'm going to put them inside a colander over a bowl. I'm going to go and half these big pieces because my jar is not big enough. So I have 2 of them in here. They're really big, guys. I don't need more. I'm going to sprinkle salt over this. This is sea salt. We're going to let this sit in the colander at least an hour, guys. We want that eggplant to release liquid, and also that gets rid of the bitterness, okay? This has been sitting in this colander for about 2 hours, guys. Oh, another thing, I decided to cut them in smaller pieces so that they fit well in my jar. You can cut them long like fries. You can leave them whole, you know, slices, whatever you want, okay? But I figured this would be better for me. We have a lot of liquid in our bowl. I'm gonna go and rinse off the salt with some cold water and come back. We're gonna leave it in the colander and let the excess water drain into the bowl. I have 2 cups of filtered water in this pan. And I'm gonna add 2 cups of white vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar if you want. We're gonna bring this to a boil. I'm going to add the eggplant to this now. Guys, and we're gonna cook them for 5 minutes, not more. 5 minutes have gone by. I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'm going to strain the eggplant, take it out of the liquid. Guys, we're just gonna wait for this to cool down completely and we'll finish our recipe. Let's start putting this in the jar. This jar, I washed it and then I put boiling water in it so it's pretty much sterile, okay? I'm gonna do a layer of eggplant, minced garlic, some oregano. I'm gonna put some basil leaves in here. You can use parsley. And I'm going to add a chili pepper. You can use crushed red chili if you prefer. Oh, I have a little bit of rosemary. Now I'm gonna pour virgin olive oil in here. Get those air bubbles out. I'm gonna cover this and put it in the fridge for about 7 days and then we'll taste it. So let's taste our pickled eggplant, guys. Obviously the olive oil got congealed because it was in the fridge for 7 days. So that's good, it means it's good olive oil. I'm going to eat this on a piece of toast. Oh, yum. Oh. Oh, guys, this is very special. Oh, I love it. It's so good. That eggplant is super soft. It's got the tang of the vinegar without being overpowering. I love it. It's incredible. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.